In a world where numbers hold the power to unlock countless secrets, mathematics reigns supreme. It encompasses the study of quantity, structure, change, and patterns. A captivating realm where logical reasoning and abstraction become our allies, guiding us through the unknown. Explore the core components that shape our mathematical universe: numbers and arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, statistics and probability, logic, number theory, combinatorics, abstract algebra, topology, mathematical logic, mathematical modeling, applied mathematics. Each branch intertwines, revealing new insights and illuminating the mysteries of our world. As mathematics evolves, new connections surface, expanding its reach into uncharted territories. Join us on a suspenseful journey through the boundless lands of this majestic discipline, where understanding the language of numbers opens doors to infinite possibilities. Let us embark on an adventure into mathematical wonders, where wisdom awaits at every turn. Prepare to be captivated as we unravel the secrets of this captivating realm. Excelling in mathematics requires a combination of effective study habits, problem-solving skills, and a positive attitude. Here are some strategies to help you unlock the mysteries of math. First, build a formidable foundation by solidifying your understanding of fundamental concepts. Then, practice regularly to sharpen your skills by solving a variety of problems. Instead of memorizing, seek understanding. Embrace questions, seek help, and teach others to truly grasp mathematical marvels. Explore diverse resources like textbooks, online references, and videos, each whispering secrets to resonate with your unique learning style. Venture into the real world with word problems, uncovering the practical applications of mathematical concepts. Stay organized, develop a growth mindset, and utilize technology to propel yourself beyond the limits of imagination. Mastering time management and staying consistent lead to triumphant moments when calculations align. Reflect on your mistakes, seek feedback, and embrace each challenge with unwavering positivity. Remember, the road to mathematical enlightenment is mysterious and suspenseful, but with unwavering persistence, you will shine bright. Imagine a world without mathematics. No Pythagorean theorem, no Euclidean geometry, no Archimedes calculating areas and volumes. Can you fathom it? Well, here's the twist. Mathematics didn't just appear overnight. It evolved like a grand symphony composed over centuries and across cultures. Its roots lie in ancient Greece, where the word mathematics burst into existence. From Pythagoras to Euclid, these mathematical maestros wove logic, numbers, and shapes into the fabric of our understanding. But wait, there's more. Babylonians, Egyptians, Indians, and Chinese mathematicians added their unique harmonies. Picture these mathematical virtuosos, each playing their part in this timeless composition. It's a rich tapestry of patterns, quantities, and equations that we now take for granted. So remember this, mathematics is not the creation of one genius, but the culmination of countless minds, transcending time and place. Let yourself be swept away by the suspenseful saga of math, a fascinating journey that spans cultures and leaves no one untouched.